Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a hair tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to crimp your hair. It's pretty easy as long as you have your crimper, or if you don't have a crimper then I guess you can use your straightener. I also have a separate tutorial for that. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below or somewhere here. I think with crimping it's better with 2-day-old hair instead of fresh one. Today I have my hair fresh, so it might not work out very well since your hair is more flat than if it was, 2 days old. You have more volume. You're gonna need a teasing comb. I have this teasing comb. You're gonna need a comb to brush through your hair. You guys need to protect your hair from before you use hot tools and all. And obviously you're gonna need hairspray. I'm actually inspired to do this by That's Heart, and I'm sure a lot of you guys know her, but if you don't, I will link her channel down below. I was saying you want to start off with your the bottom part here. My crimper I'm using, this one, it's by Helix Hot Tools. I don't exactly remember where we got this from, but it's just a regular crimper, Pretty much you want to take a strand. So I take this much. Okay, you don't want to take too much because you want to make sure that everything's all nice and crimp. So start at the top. And then I'd say about 13 to 15 seconds. Move there. From there you move to the section below. Like, you can go so much more faster, but if you want a really nice crisp crimp, then go a little bit slower. Okay, so now that the bottom part of my hair is done, we're gonna move on to the second half. Okay, so I'm finally done with the 3/4 done. Now I just have to do the very top part. Time for your teasing now. I'm going to take a section here, start teasing. Okay, then section here, start teasing. Okay. And then a section back here, and start teasing. Okay. And a section here, start teasing, and then you can just twist it. And there. And then just play around with it. Okay. This is it. Really volumized. I mean, I really like it. It's really big. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it won't take long for you guys, because it took me, I guess, I want to say an hour to finish this off. So yeah, just with like crimping every strand, with 5 steps a strand, and all that stuff. So yeah, that is it for this look. We can even give this like bobby pin this on this side so that it's not blocking my eye. Like this. You can do that. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week, and this is my tutorial. I hope you like it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.